Well, well. Seems that you beat the Chaos Collective. Good on you. We're so proud of you. But if you think that Nefarious' faux pas would be the end of the collective, you're sadly mistaken. My days of running and hiding are long but over now. So instead of running from my problems, I intend to fix them. And I have the means of getting the Chaos Collective back into full-scale motion. With or without him. This is only the beginning, my Lombax friends. Here lies Emperor Nefarious, rebellious to the end, for the sake of his victory. Is this what the High Council of the Chaos Collective evolves to? I could have told Master Cyclonus a long time ago that getting involved with all of you was a big mistake, Grindelwald. What Nefarious did, it does not speak for us. His incompetence did strike us all, but this was only a minor setback at best. The collective are still stronger than ever, and Nefarious' replacement is already being seen to by Masterminds. Who could possibly replace that overconfident tin can who almost got the Chaos Collective exposed? How are we supposed to rebuild when half of our army has been destroyed thanks to that no good...
Genki, you seeing this?
Bro, what the hell's happening?
Look at this, a spider hero. We're all safe.
Hi. Who are you?
Me? I'm just a bartender who does favors for people every now and then. And I've learned that rogue spider bots are dangerous and bad for business. Let me take those off your hands. Oh. Thank you, Spider-Man. We can always count on you to do the right thing.
You're welcome.
And if Miguel comes looking for these, tell him finders keepers.
Wait, who's Miguel?